want to give my living room a fun makeover since I've been spending a lot of my time indoors. I thought it was a great time to start refreshing and making over some of the area of this small space. I'm thinking to transform my space into Scandinavian minimalist aesthetic design style to get that earthy, cool vibe with neutral color palette. If you are new to my channel, I'm Angelica. Join me to my home project as we both discover our style. Here in the Netherlands, gamma or gamma as the locals call it, is my favorite go-to when it comes to construction supplies, hardware, home decor, garden supplies, anything and everything that you need for building or for any project that you wanted to start inside or outside your house. For my living room transformation project, we needed some paints, tools, and materials for painting. And a very important tip, don't skip the prep. Check the description box for the prep materials. For our project, we are going to use 18 centimeter roller brush. Another tip, wash your roller before painting to remove those excess fibers because we don't want that on our wall. 18 centimeter roller handle to complete our roller brush set. We're all set, so let's paint. Using your complementary stir stick, slowly stir up your paint down to the bottom. Now, transfer some of your gallon into your painting tray. This tape will save us from all the mess. Basically, prepping is all about protecting your floors, your furnitures, or anything that you don't want to be painted on. I used plastic sheeting to protect my floor. For my living room accent wall, I'm using Flex's Subtle River Pure. We are going to start in a corner because that's the easiest space to start your painting on. I'm using an 8 centimeter rolling brush to work on the edges of this wall. Disclaimer, I'm no professional, just to make it clear to you. I just love decorating my space with my own touch according to my preference. Because I believe with a little creativity, you can turn your personal space into something great, something new, and something that speaks your personality. After 2 hours, I'm now gonna work on the second layer or second coating of this wall. Now this is my favorite part because it's satisfying. When removing the tape, pull it evenly and slowly so you won't ruin the paint job. to repeat the procedure and the techniques that we did on our first painting job. This time I'm using the shade of Scooter by Flexa. My favorite part. Guess what? Decorating. Let us put some magic in this newly painted room and transform it into a more cozy vibe. The Scandinavian like Danish and Norwegian call it hygge. Here in the Netherlands, we also call it gezellig. As you can see, I moved the couch on the opposite side where it used to be. I got those pillows from IKEA, as well as this super soft warm blanket. What is more cozier than adding some plants in your living room? I got these beautiful indoor plants from Intertown. Candle and the diffuser that I'm using here are from IKEA. The stones, the plates, and the plant, I got them from Intertown. It is a local shop here in the Netherlands where you can buy your garden supplies, outdoor supplies, home decoration, and pet supplies, and so much more. I got these vases from another local home decor shop here in Netherlands. These cute vases and plants are from Intertown. The scented candle is from IKEA. Decorations and plants are still coming, so better stay tuned on my channel for new updates, because this is only the first part of my home transformation project, and of course it would be my honor for you all to be part in every progress that we make in transforming my new home into a minimalist Scandinavian style. Keep up with me, click the subscribe button, Hit that notification bell to get updated to the latest video on my channel. Do you like the new style and decoration of my living room? Let me hear your comments on the comment box down below. If you have any ideas that I can use for this whole transformation project, please do share because sharing is caring. And of course, I will mention you on my next video. That's it for today. See you all on my next video. This has been Angelica. Remember, live your life with intentions.